guys, I wanted to come to you today with a Trader Joe's haul, and we just missed the squirrel. I didn't get the camera on in time, but he's already gone down the line. I'm sure he'll be back before it's all over with. But this is a Trader Joe's haul, and I wanted to tell you about some things that I got last week that I loved and let you know about them. The first thing is these gummy bears, Halloween gummies that they have. And they come in 20 of these little packs like this. And these aren't like your typical gummy bears, like your Harbos. I think that's what you call them, or the brand they're from, in the gold package. These are more like a fruit gummy to me. So the first pack I had, I was expecting it to be like the Harbos, and I think that's what they're called. And I was like, that's not right. And I ate another pack, and I was like, okay, they're better. So I just had to transition my mind from I was expecting it to be one thing, and it was actually another thing. So I've been eating these. One of these little packs is 70 calories, it says, this little mini bag. And there's 20 mini bags in this. So I've been leaving these in here in my filming room so that if I need something sweet, I have to get up and come and get them. Because otherwise, if they're sitting next to my chair in there, they would have all been gone by now. So I have probably 12 left or something like that. Because I just need something sweet every once in a while. And that's enough. That little bag, and I'm gone. I don't need anything else. Another thing, I had this for dinner a couple of nights this week. It is the Wild Blueberry Vanilla Chevre, I guess that's how you say it, fresh goat cheese. And I had two, I would pull off about that much of this log right here. And this is amazing. Just the cheese and the fruit together was really good. I had one this morning, and it was it apricots and chocolate chips? No, that was not good. I tasted it and I was like, oh dear God, swallow it, swallow it, swallow it. It just wasn't good. So this is definitely a good one. And then I had it with the pumpkin, sorry about the glare, pumpkin cranberry crisps. I've had these for a couple of years, and I put different cheeses on them, and or I'll eat them just the way they are because they're that good. And I've been using these two together, and they're amazing. I probably should have bought some more today, but I didn't think about it. So, I did that. And I bought these last week. This is a new box of them. I bought these. I still have a few left in the other box. But I ate these twice for dinner this week, and they are very good. They're gluten-free, and you can't tell the difference from, like, a regular waffle that I've ever had. I also noticed today that they had whole grain ones. Was that it? Whole grain ones. I think I've tried those in the past, but I didn't get them today. And then they have blueberry ones, waffles. So I like these, and I got these for a breakfast or more dinners, because that's how I eat around here. So I got that. I got some white bread. When I picked it up, it was frozen on the bottom. And now it's perfect, so I could eat something or use it as toast right now. And while I was at the store, I am such an idiot, because I just figured this out, what it actually says. I got my A and I screwed around. So this is organic coconut almond chia cereal. I saw it and I thought it said chai. And it doesn't matter because I still think it looks good. And so I thought it said chai, and I looked at it. I had to stop the video because I was like, you idiot, you don't even know what you're doing. So it has, and this is when I figured it out when I read the description. It's whole grain oats clusters, crispy wheat flakes, slivered almonds, coconut, and chia seeds. That's where I figured it out. I didn't see the chia seeds on the package. I don't know, apparently they're in there somewhere. And it goes well with milk or yogurt. So I got that. I also got a gallon of milk, but I'm sure everybody knows what a gallon of milk looks like at this point. So I wasn't bringing that back here, spilling it all over the creation. So, and when I walked in the cereal aisle this morning, I just had to have cereal. So I was like, all right, whatever. So I got the shredded bite-size wheats the bite-size ones from Trader Joe's and their version. And I mean, how can you screw it up? I mean, I don't think you can screw them up. So I always love these. So I got those 2 things. And then I was watching Nick Snyder. He's one of those drama channels, but I was watching one of his live deals where he just talks, and he had a juicer, and he used 3 full stalks of celery to juice, and somehow that translated into me thinking about tomato juice. And so I've already gone through one of these. That's the V8 version, and I bought it Friday, and I've already gone through it. And my stomach's kind of upset, and I think it's because I've been going crazy with this. But I bought some more today, and they call it the low sodium garden patch, a blend of vegetable juices. So I thought I would try their version. I had the low sodium of the V8, so I thought I would try their version and see if it was as good. I mean, I don't know how you screw that up either. So, but we're gonna try that. And then I saw somebody, and they were talking about that they use the Trader Joe's laundry detergent. So I bought a smaller one of their detergent. I can't remember. Hang on, I think I have the price thing in here. What was this? This was $4.99 for this. So I got this because I wanted to try it out, because the bigger size was $9.99, and I didn't want to do that because I don't know what it was like. Let's see, the tomato stuff was $3.49. The almond chia cereal was $3.99. The shredded wheat was $2.99. The bread was $2.99. So, and then, let me get this out of here so I can get this sack in front of me. I have these type sacks from Trader Joe's. I love them. I also bought these Peruvian potato chips. They look really interesting. So I thought I would get those. They're kind of like, I guess like the kettle chips are baked, but they're all different kind of colors of potatoes in there. So I thought that looked, I saw these last week and I was like, no. And this week I was like, you keep looking at them, buy the things. And those were I don't know. Oh, there they are, $2.49. And then I got the cauliflower gnocchi, and me and this other girl was standing there, and this one lady was, she's like, if you all want something, definitely get the gnocchi because they can only order 1 case. And I was there about 10:30, and they only had like 4 packages of these left. She goes, these go. We stock them every morning, and within an hour or so, these are always gone, and we can only order 1 case. So I've never tried them, so I thought, if everybody likes them that much, I'm going to try them out. So that's what I wanted to do with that. So, and that gnocchi, if you can get it, go early in the morning. And that was $2.69 for that. And then I got some fresh squeezed orange juice. It just sounded good to me. So between the tomato juice and the orange juice, I'm sure my stomach's going to be nice and tore up. This was $1.99. It's fresh squeezed, and I haven't had orange juice in a while, and I didn't want a big old thing of tomato juice, so I got that. Then they had this in their try it out section today, and it is the Harvest Chili. It's made from black beans, butternut squash, cauliflower, sweet potatoes, and with pumpkin puree and chili spices. And this tasted just like chili to me. It's got a top on it, but we don't need to spill it. And this was really good. It was $4.99, and that's enough chili for me. I don't need any more chili than this right here. So for me, it was good enough to buy that. I bought some of their sausage. It's called Texas Rope. It's sausage made with beef and pork. It's seasoned and fully cooked. And this was $3.99. So I got that. I love these. It's the Greek olive medley, and it has different kinds of olives in there. I have bought these many times. I absolutely love them. Let me forewarn you, they do still have the pits in them. So just know that do not bite into them thinking that they are pitless, because they are not. Because some dinkus did that. And then I've bought these before. These are amazing, and they are the broccoli and cheddar quiche. I've had these for breakfast at work. They're amazing. I just put it in the microwave for three minutes or something like that. They are amazing, and they're really good. So I would definitely recommend these because I've had these before. And then I think this is the last thing. I wanted to try it. And these, I've never seen these before. These are they're vegan, and they're trail mix cookies with raisins and peanuts. And that's what they look like right there. I don't know if I can open it. Great, I gotta rip into it. Hang on. Apparently they don't want you to eat cookies. So this is what they look like. They're good. They're almost like a peanut butter cookie. They're chewy. They're like the moist. I know everybody hates that word. I don't really care, but they're chewy. They're not like a hard, crunchy cookie. I hate those cookies, types of cookies like that. But it contains wheat, soy, peanuts. May contain traces of tree nuts, walnuts, coconuts, I don't know. So, but it's very good. I just wanted to see what a vegan cookie would taste like, and it tastes really good. So these will probably be gone before the day's over, because once I get a hold of something like this, they're gone. So those are very good, and I would definitely recommend those. How much were they? I think they were $4.99. Oh, they were $3.99. Even better. So these are very good. And they had vegan chocolate chip cookies as well. But I just thought the trail mix looked kind of good. So there you go on that. So if I have any of this stuff that I've tried new, I will try to remember to save the packaging or something and let you know about it next week like I did. I want to try to do that some more so that you just don't see it go through and I'm like, if you don't see it again in my deal, you won't know if I liked it or not. So I will try to do that. But that's all I have for today. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If there's something you think I need to try at Trader Joe's, please let me know down in the comments. I always love to try new things. If you'd like to subscribe, please do. I would love to have you here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Have a good day. Bye.